Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change background color on the Weebly. So let's get started. First of all, go on the Weebly. Once you are in, you have to go on the edit side. And here you have to go on the main banner. You have to double click on it. Now you have to go on the customize and click on the background. Here you have selected colors like custom colors or image color. First of all, you have to go on the custom color. Here you have many colors like suggested or neutrals. You can also go on the edit side color and select the color from here. Here you can change the color styles. You can also pick a new style. Once you done it, you have to click on the done and save the changes. Now you have to again go on the main banner. And here you have to again go on the customize and click on the background. Here you have second option which is image. Here you can change the image color. Once you add the image, you can change the color and click on the done. So yeah, this is how you can change background color on the Weebly.